Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Honda Civic faster. First, consider upgrading your engine's air intake system for improved airflow. Next, enhance exhaust flow with a performance exhaust. Then, optimize your engine's computer with a custom tune, potentially adding 20 to 30 horsepower. Finally, improve handling and reduce weight for a truly faster driving experience. These modifications work together to unlock your Civic's full potential. To truly boost your Civic's speed, focus on engine modifications. A cold air intake can add 5 to 10 horsepower by providing cooler air. Pairing this with a performance exhaust system reduces back pressure, allowing the engine to breathe more freely. The most impactful upgrade is an engine tune, which can unlock 20 to 30% more power. For extreme gains, a turbocharger or supercharger can double your engine's output. Speed isn't just about straight-line power. Handling is crucial. Upgrading to coilovers or lowering springs significantly reduces body roll, improving cornering ability. Stiffer sway bars further enhance stability, making your Civic feel more planted through turns. High-performance summer tires offer dramatically better grip than standard tires, allowing for faster cornering speeds. Finally, lighter wheels reduce unsprung weight, which benefits both acceleration and braking performance. To maximize your Civic's speed, consider weight reduction and aerodynamics. Removing non-essential interior items, like rear seats, can save 50 to 100 pounds. Replacing heavy factory components with lightweight carbon fiber or aluminum parts further reduces overall mass. Aerodynamic modifications, such as a front splitter or rear wing, decrease drag and generate downforce, improving high-speed stability. These combined efforts make your Civic quicker off the line and more stable at speed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.